Today we have HP, what is it? HP 15-R017TU, and as you can tell, the hinge is absolutely demolished, so coming off like that. And I'm going to replace the hinge. That's the process to replace the hinge. But in my case, I just happened to get my hands on this similar model HP, which has good hinge and good screen, because in this case the whole thing is effed up. The hinge, the bezel, the screen itself, it's damaged. So I'm going to swap this screen assembly from this guy into this, but I'm going to link up in the description below on where to get the hinges from and whatnot, so follow me. First of all, you're going to do is remove the battery, and then remove every single screw you see in the back. Now this one already missing the hinge cover at the bottom, plastic cover, but on this side you're going to take something really sharp and pry that plastic bit, pry it open, just like that. I'm going to use my weld stick. I'll link up the description below where to get it from. Right. Just careful, the screws on the hinges are longer screws, but I'm lazy, so I'm going to mix them up, but in your case make sure this is separate out. Alright, so there's two screws underneath the DVD player. In this case there's only one because one is missing. And then what you're going to do is remove the cable. Get something really sharp. Pry it open. As you can tell, it's pretty nasty, dirty, this laptop is, and that's it. That's the keyboard coming off. There's about a few screws that you need to unravel. These latches, you lift it up. You lift it up like that. In this case, like that. And just pull the cable out. That's it. Now here's the tricky part. A lot of you actually always ask me questions: how to lift this sections open. Just put your fingers underneath, and you can get a bit of a prying edge. Then you're going to put your prying tool like that. Go around and pry it open. Yeah, as you can tell, this is absolutely demolished. Okay, now here's our job here. So what you're going to do is you're going to remove the entire screen assembly if that's what you want to. But either way, you have to open this up in order to get access to the hinges. excuse my bit of fun. All right, so there is going to be a cable, the Wi-Fi cable lifted up. All right, so that's already damaged anyway. So okay, now there's a bunch of screws you want to unscrew that. Maybe my drills much faster. Just like that. That's so. Let's see how badly it's damaged. Okay. So this bad boy is out of the way. Okay. Now I'm going to remove this screw assembly from here, and I'm going to swap it over. But if you're just going to replace the hinge, the same way you replace the hinge, and then the first of the steps you just follow with me. But I'm going to pass it forward because I'm going to unscrew that from that. I'm going to transfer it over. So yeah, just bear with me, and I'm going to pass forward this video so you don't get bored out of your mind. We're back on the game. Okay, so I have my screw assembly. Yeah, the same way, just put it back in place. Voila. Okay. The hinges are good, and that's it. Alright guys, have a good day, night, evenings, wherever you're from, and be safe out there.